Hey, this is Nate with Kick-Ass Marketers. Just wanted to go over a little site review and thank you for reaching out in the power washing, soft washing, window cleaning worldwide group on Facebook. I want to do this little site review for you, give you 3 things that you can do today to help you get ranking better on Google, kind of a little free attack plan. We're going to go over content, citations, and backlinks. I always start with content because with Google, content is king. If somebody searches window cleaning in your area, they want to know that your site is relevant to what these people are looking for. So we recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page and about 500 to 750 on your back pages. You have a couple paragraphs here, you may have a couple hundred, but the reason we need that content in there is to be able to get the keywords and the key phrases that people are looking for. Here's one of the competition that I found. This is actually one of their back pages. This is VA power washing and deck restoration. And then they've got a back page for Newtown, PA. So they don't have a ton of content on this page, but this is one of their back pages. So we really only look for 500 to 750 on this particular page. And this is also a back page for one of the other companies in the area. And still kind of the same thing. Most of the sites I look at are lacking on content. That's one of the easiest things to beat them on, is to get the content and the keywords in there. The reason that's important, and this is Ahrefs, this is one of the tools that we use. You are currently not showing up for any organic keywords. So we really need to get those in there, stuff like window cleaning in your area, pressure washing, but we want to keep them what I call generic, and we'll see if these guys have a couple that we can look at. Because these are their back pages, I'm not expecting them to have a ton of keywords on their back pages, but like this would be the type of keyword that I look for. Pressure washing, Westchester, PA. It says what you do and where you're located. Because if somebody doesn't know what company they're looking for, but they know they need a pressure washing service, they're going to type pressure washing wherever, city and state, or just the city, power washing, deck cleaning, roof cleaning, house wash. It's a very generic keyword. We can actually go back and look at what these guys are doing off of their main page instead of using their back page, and they're probably going to have a ton more keywords on there. Yeah, so here's the power washing, Westchester again. Power washing services near me. There's 800 people that look for that, but that's nationwide. So it's super hard to get ranked on one of the nationwide keywords, which is why we like the stuff that's a little bit more localized. They have power washing Delaware, Canberra, New Jersey, power washing stucco. So those are the type of things that I like to look for. What you do and where you're located are the keywords I try to find. The other thing is your citations. Citations are what help you get up here into this Google Map pack. Typically, you're going to see some ads up here, and then the map would be the next thing. I've got some plugins on my computer because of what I do that generally throw my ads to the bottom, but I don't even see any down here, so this section may not even have anybody running ads right now. But a citation is your business name, address, and phone number in multiple directories across the internet. Merchant Circle, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. There's thousands of them out there. And it's just a matter of going out, finding the directory, signing up for it, and entering your information. We use a tool called WhiteSpark to look up citations. You're currently showing up for 27, which is really good. These guys only have 12 in this particular area, and these guys have 2. So we really need to get that bumped up, kick these guys up, kick up your content, get the keywords and stuff in there. The other thing is the backlinks. You currently have 1 backlink. Backlinks are any site that points back at your site. And Google kind of looks at it as a popularity contest. The more sites that are pointing back at you, the more popular you are, the more authority that they give you. But again, it's not all backlinks are the same. You want to try to keep them relevant to what you do. Some of your citations will give you backlinks. Another way to get them is to find blogs out there that talk about the type of services you offer, read up on some of the articles, post some comments, put a link in there. You can get backlinks that way. There's lots of ways to do it. If we go back here, these guys aren't showing any backlinks. And that again, this is the company that we're still looking at their back page here. They've probably got some on their main page if we pull this part out. Actually, I need to pull that part out on this side. And we can see what backlinks they have on their main site. So if we go back to their main page instead of their back page, they have 34 backlinks here. These guys have 8,470. Some of those having that many, unless this is a huge nationwide company, are probably pretty spammy and we wouldn't want those. But one of the things that we can do is go in here and see where they're getting their backlinks. Check out those sites, see if they're places we want to have a backlink, and try to get a backlink for you on those same pages. I call it the copycat method. Just find the guy that has the most backlinks in your area and try to copy the ones that he has, and then go out and find some more so you can just blow them out of the water. But that is my basic overview. Just kind of a recap. Content, 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page, about 500 to 750 on your back pages. Citations, get out there in as many of those directories as you can get into. Backlinks, your citations will help with that, but also go out, check out the blog comments, things like that. There's lots of ways to do it. It just takes time. If you need any help, feel free to call me, 210-383-8401, or hit me up on Facebook. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it.